Chicken Bacon Ranch Pickle Poppers. This absolutely has to go on your list to try.
Oh, that's good. They're so good.
It's phenomenal. Full recipe can be found on cookingintheyard.com, and check the caption of this video. All the information that you could want will be there. Start by chopping up your chicken. You can grill chicken just for this. Use leftovers or get a rotisserie chicken from the store. Doesn't matter. It's all great. Just make sure you chop it up really small. After that's done, in a bowl, cream cheese, the chicken, and ranch goes over the top. We're going to mix this all up really well. Make sure your cream cheese is softened, and just use Philadelphia. It's the best. It costs a little bit more, but it just tastes better. I left this part uncut so you can see what it looks like to mix it all together. When you start making this, it's going to seem like there's not enough cream cheese in there to mix it all together, but just keep pushing the chicken and the ranch into the cream cheese on top of itself. Mix it around, and it's going to incorporate really well. Fun fact about making this video, it's really hard to do this with just one hand, but got it. Then here's what it looks like when it's mixed. Next step is to prepare the pickle. Take a whole dill pickle, cut the ends off of it right there. Get rid of that piece. How did that happen? I need a new knife. Cut the ends off. Then we're going to slice it in half. Take a spoon, pull out those seeds to make a pickle canoe. Not sure what could be better than that, but pickle canoe. Cream cheese mixture goes inside. I left this part uncut as well so you can see what it looks like. It seems like it should be easier to put that in there, but just press it in and then spread it out over the top. After you do the first one, you'll have this down. Make sure there's no gaps in there so it cooks evenly. Here's what it's going to look like when it's stuffed. Once you've got all those done, it's bacon time. Thick cut strip of bacon gets wrapped once around the stuffed pickle. Make sure the end is on the bottom. That way it doesn't unravel. I like using a wire rack for this. It cooks them more evenly. We're going to season with Queen Bee honey barbecue seasoning over the top. This is really the best possible seasoning that you could use for this. The honey flavor of it, the sweetness and the tang and spiciness of the seasoning is fantastic. Into the smoker they go. While those are cooking, we're going to mix up our dipping sauce. This is ranch, and we're going to put buffalo sauce in there. I mix this about 50-50. If you want it more one way or the other, measure it with your heart. You can do it. Make it how you want. That's the best part of cooking. Stir it up really well until well incorporated. Here's what they look like when they're done on the smoker. You want that bacon to turn a dark amber color without charring. Here's what they look like all done. Dip them in that sauce. These are so delicious. You're going to absolutely love them. They will be the hit of any party or event that you cook them and bring them to. Again, if you've made it this far, I really appreciate it. Please hit the follow button. Send this video to a friend that loves pickles and or bacon.
They are so good.
Bacon and or food. Thank you so much. Follow for more. Bye.